In the bustling real estate market of Dallas, creating a home that stands out is essential, whether you're a homeowner or an investor. One of the most impactful ways to enhance your property's value and appeal is through the installation of custom windows. Tailored to suit your home's unique style and needs, custom windows combine functionality, aesthetics, and energy efficiency, making them a worthwhile investment in a competitive market. Here's how custom windows can add value to your Dallas property and why they're a smart choice for your next home improvement project. Enhanced curb appeal. Dallas properties come in a variety of architectural styles, from modern high-rises to traditional ranch homes. Custom windows can elevate your home's exterior, enhancing its aesthetic appeal and making it more attractive to potential buyers. Tailored design. Custom windows are designed to complement your home's architecture, ensuring they blend seamlessly with its style. Unique shapes and sizes. Specialty window designs, such as arched, round, or bay windows, create distinctive focal points that set your home apart. Material options. Choose from a variety of frame materials, including wood, vinyl, aluminum, or fiberglass, to match your home's exterior and interior. By investing in custom windows, you give your property a polished and cohesive appearance that makes a lasting impression. Increased property value. Installing custom windows is a home improvement project that provides a significant return on investment. Energy-efficient and stylish windows not only appeal to prospective buyers but also add measurable value to your home. Higher resale value. Homes with updated, high-quality windows are more appealing to buyers, allowing you to command a higher price. Market differentiation. Custom windows are a premium feature that sets your property apart in Dallas's competitive real estate market. Long-term savings. Buyers recognize the value of energy-efficient windows, which reduce utility costs and add to a home's overall value. Custom windows are an upgrade that pays off both immediately and in the long term, making them a smart financial decision. Improved energy efficiency. Dallas experiences hot summers and mild winters, which can lead to high energy bills if your windows aren't up to the task. Custom windows are designed with energy efficiency in mind, helping to regulate indoor temperatures and reduce energy consumption. Insulating glass. Double or triple pane glass with inert gas fills improves insulation and reduces heat transfer. Low E coatings. These coatings reflect heat while allowing natural light to enter, keeping your home cooler in summer and warmer in winter. Tight seals. Custom windows are measured and installed to fit perfectly, eliminating drafts and air leaks. Energy-efficient custom windows not only save money on heating and cooling costs but also appeal to environmentally conscious buyers, adding another layer of value to your property. Enhanced natural light. Well-designed custom windows allow more natural light into your home, creating bright, inviting spaces that buyers and homeowners love. Large picture windows. These windows provide expansive views and flood your rooms with natural light, making spaces feel larger and more open. Strategic placement. Custom windows can be designed and positioned to optimize light while reducing glare and maintaining privacy. Increased aesthetic appeal. Sunlit rooms highlight your home's best features, from hardwood floors to beautiful decor. Bright, Well-lit homes often command higher prices and sell faster in the Dallas market, making natural light a key selling point. Personalization and versatility. Custom windows allow you to create a home that reflects your personal style and meets your specific needs. Unlike standard windows, they can be tailored to suit any design preference or functional requirement. Architectural matching. Custom windows can mimic the original style of historic Dallas homes, preserving their charm while upgrading their functionality. Modern upgrades. For contemporary homes, sleek, minimalist designs with large glass panes provide a modern aesthetic. Functional features. Add features like built-in blinds, tinted glass, or noise-reducing technology to enhance comfort and usability. This level of personalization ensures your home is both unique and highly functional, increasing its overall value. Durability and low maintenance. Custom windows are built to last, using high-quality materials and modern manufacturing techniques. Their durability means less maintenance and fewer replacements, which is appealing to both homeowners and buyers. Weather resistance. Custom windows can be designed to withstand Dallas's weather, from intense summer heat to occasional storms. Low-maintenance materials. Vinyl and fiberglass frames are easy to clean and maintain, saving time and effort over the years. Warranty options. Many custom windows come with extended warranties, providing peace of mind for homeowners and adding confidence for buyers. Long-lasting, low-maintenance windows make your property more attractive and cost-effective to own. Improved security. Security is a top priority for Dallas homeowners, and custom windows can enhance it with advanced features. Impact-resistant glass. Designed to withstand breakage, these windows add a layer of protection against storms and intruders. Reinforced frames. Durable frame materials and secure locking systems deter unauthorized entry. Smart features. Some custom windows include modern security technologies, such as alarms or sensors, for added peace of mind. A secure home is a valuable home, and custom windows make that possible. Conclusion. Elevate your Dallas property with custom windows. Custom windows are a transformative upgrade that enhances the look, functionality, and value of any Dallas property. From boosting curb appeal to improving energy efficiency and security, these windows offer benefits that standard options simply can't match. Whether you're updating a historic home, adding a modern touch, or simply looking to stand out in the Dallas real estate market, custom windows are an investment that pays off in multiple ways. Work with a trusted local professional to design and install custom windows that meet your needs and reflect your style. With their expertise, you'll enjoy a home that's not only beautiful but also more comfortable, efficient, and valuable.